Hey everyone, so this will be an unboxing of an Amazon Renewed Premium iPhone 13 Pro Max. This was, I think, 905 bucks, of course, before taxes and whatnot. So this is, again, is the Renewed Premium, which is their top of the line renewed phones and tablets and whatnot. So you get a little bit fancier box. We will take this out and we'll come back to it in just a moment. But it is this Sierra Blue. Right there, in just a moment here. And you get some paperwork here, along with the SIM removal tool. You do get a, of course, lightning adapter. And you actually do get a charger, charging brick, which you, of course, would not get with an actual iPhone. But these are just random ones. Let's see, this one is very, very small. 5 volt times 2100 milliamps. So very, very small and very cheap feeling. But at least you get one with it. So you also get this bit of a fancier box. Going to the device itself here. This actually does have a screen protector on it, which is nice. And screen looks pretty much perfect. Sides are a little bit smudgy, but otherwise mine looks actually really, really good. USB or lightning adapter port looks really good as well. Check out the back here. Get a little bit more light on it. Yeah, no, that looks. Besides for a few smudges, this looks like it's actually brand new. Plugged it in using my own actual Apple cable here. It does turn on right away, which is always a good sign. This here blue is pretty cool. It's a nice light blue. I'm going to set this up and we'll see how it actually is with battery wise. And then real fast, while this is being set up from my other iPhone here, there is a few little tiny minor, crazy minor cosmetic parts. So you guys probably won't be able to see this, but on the edge here, you can feel it more than you can see it, but there's a little bit of scratching on there. Then on the other side too, there's a tiny, might be able to see right by my fingernail there, right there. Otherwise, maybe a little bit more down here. But there's just tiny minor, crazy minor scratches. That's it. It's really, really good shape. Alright, it is all set up. Well, it's downloading a bunch of stuff. But let's see what this battery's at. This is like the biggest thing to me is the battery. I'm hoping it's really 100%. So let's go battery. Dang, it's only at 90% battery. Man, that's sad because you guys always see my other video. I also got a 13 Pro, 9 Pro Max as well. Premium renewed. That's at 100% battery. This is only at 90%. I don't know. Is that worth it? What do you guys think? Is that worth keeping? This was, like I said, $905. You can go get it unlocked. 14 Pro Max for 1100 bucks. 90% battery. I don't know. You guys let me know what you think. I don't know if this is gonna be worth keeping for that much money. So I was hoping for at least 95% battery. But yeah. So again, premium renewed Amazon iPhone 13 Pro Max. Really good shape. Battery is a bit disappointing though. They're not cheap to replace. I really don't recommend replacing them until about 80%, but still 9% is kind of eh. Alright, yeah, you guys let me know what you think. Thank you all for watching. Hope you have a good one. I'll see you next time. Goodbye.